paint a depressing makeup look today. The black fat man I bought arrived and I just came to try it. Concealer. Draw eyebrows with dark brown brow skin. Then use this eyebrow powder, the darkest color. Go deeper. Use this color to coat the entire eyebrow. Then use the flower branch corner today. Chocolate Series paint this color. Orthoti flower cream. Then start. But you know, make love and true. Baby, let me tell the truth. You know, but is not glory. Hit it when you cry. It's scared to be lonely. Special night. I'm scared. Of the sun. I would really like this set. It all feels like chocolate. Really super nice. I'll paint it today. I change a limited time every day. This color. And a double eyelid. Push the root of this eyelash down and add it. And then there's their sun blush. Must pay attention, must pay attention. With a blush. Still a little heavier. Use our eyeshadow. You will take the initiative to tell me. Leave a line. Nobody needs me in your eyes. Goodbye. This cat doesn't understand the dark. Go home. Words anyway. I have to find it. It's a more flawed treatment.